different variables, and then I'm going to reset. So I'm going to use the same thing, y.cat into the y.lr, means that logistic regressions. And I'm going to change number 1, which is low, kan? So I'm going to find out the good one. The good means that I'm going to change the 2 into 1, and then the other values will be 0. That means the lower will be 0, and then it's become like this. And then I'm going to click paste, run it. Okay, I'm going to run this particular syntax. Alright, and after that, I'm going to go, see, this one high become 1. So I'm predicting the high. So I'm going to the regression. I'm going to the binary logistics. Let's say I'm going this one as the probability of occurrence, probability of high level of knowledge. And then I'm going to use this gender, race, income. Let's say I'm going to full blown for everything. Let's say, okay, and I'm going to justify this categorical based on the default. Default means that the computer going to use the end of the data. Let's say this one x3 is races, right? So the end, the last one will be the others. So it's compared to the others. It's compared to the others, right? Okay, continue, and then I'm going to click paste. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Why? I forgot to request another one, which is this one. Binary logistics. Usually you go to the option and then you request this Hosmer-Lemeshaw, and then you click paste, and then you can see the significance of the models. Okay, this one I'm going to rerun it again. Okay, this is my output. You see, this is block number 1, significantly correlated. Oh, you see, Nagarakel square is very good. You see, more than 80. And then Hosmer-Lemeshaw also very good because it's more than 0.05. And then classification table also improved, 87. Much more better than the Titanic just now. But the corruption of the data occur here. You see, when you saw a very big exponential be like this, that means the stabilization of the data become more hampered lah. That's why you are not able to control it. That's why you must segregate it accordingly lah. In this case, for example, you must conduct something like race, because everything is being compared to the race number 4. Race number 4 is what? Others. Okay. This one will be interpret something like this. More than ni lah 4,000 something of the odd for those who are Malay, right? Because R1 is the group number 1 is Malay, something like that. But it's not statistically significant. You see, it's not statistically significant. This one also not statistically significant. So you have a lot of higher odds, but it's not statistically significant. That means your model also probably seems to be good, but actually it's not representative. Something like that lah, if you want to interpret it accordingly. So based on that, I think